Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about 3 hidden features in FNO that will save you a lot of time and make life easier. You may have already come across them and some of you may have not. So yeah, let's get started. The first one is Task Recorder. This one is a game changer for admins and trainers. So instead of writing up long step-by-step instructions with screenshots, Task Recorder literally records your clicks as you go, and then you can export them into a Word document. So the first thing you would do is go into the cog, Task Recorder, and then create a recording. So let's just call it test 2 and let's start. Then you can simply create a simple process. So let's create a purchase order. So we will need to navigate into procurement and sourcing. There we go. And then we go into all purchase orders. So as you can see, as I'm doing these steps, it's recording it in the right hand screen. Then let's click on new. Let's choose that. And then OK. So yeah, and then once you finish creating your process, you can see you can stop the recording there, and you can save this to LCS as well, or you can export as a Word document for training purposes. So once you open that, there you go, you can see the steps recorded, which is great for training. If we click off that now. Now the next one is saved views. We all waste time resizing columns and reapplying the same filters every time we open up, let's say, a form. So the first thing I will do is go to accounts. I'll just use the same demo, all purchase orders. So let's just close that off. So now we're in all purchase orders. Now let's say, let's do this. Just say that. Let's say you wanted this view and you didn't want to show this. So now what you can do is go into save views, and you can save this view as, I don't know, vendor 101. And once you save that, once you click on that, you will now see this view. And if you do want to make it your default, then that's fine to do. You can do that. So when you come out of it and you go back into it, you will have that view that you've saved. So yeah, that saves a lot of time too, instead of going into and filtering it to find what you need to find. The next one is exporting to Excel. So almost any list in FNO can be exported straight into Excel, where you can filter, analyze, and even make bulk changes that sync back to the system. So I will stick with this same window of all customers. And if you want to export this or make any changes, you click on the Office icon. You can then export and download, and then once it's finished downloading, you can open it up, and as you can see, it is there in Excel. Then you can open enable editing. You can make the necessary changes that you want to, and once you've done that, you can actually you'd have to sign in first, but yeah, once you've done that, you can actually publish the changes back into FNO. So yeah, here's another example that I did earlier. You can put the changes and you can publish them back in, and then it will analyze it and publish back into FNO. And yeah, that's it. Those are some of the hidden features in D365 that will save you time every day. Which one is new to you? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want more quick tips and admin tricks for FNO, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.